Officials continue to search containers in Newark, New Jersey, after it was suspected that stowaways could be inside one of those steel boxes. U.S. Coast Guard inspectors said they heard knocking sounds from a cargo ship that had been loaded with containers in the Middle East and was bound for APM terminals in Portsmouth, according to the Virginia Port Authority. 10 News Side's Liz Palka has the latest on that search, and we understand that you just got an update from our partner station in that area on News 12 out of New Jersey.
Right, Carrie, they spoke with the Coast Guard in Newark, and they say there's no plans to stop the search. In fact, crews are starting to search more than the original 200 containers, and so far no stowaways or signs of life have been found. The last port of call for the ship, the Villa de Aquarius, was Egypt, but it's made other stops in the Middle East. Now, the Villa de Aquarius was supposed to arrive here at APM terminals at some point on Friday. We spoke with Commander Kevin Carroll with the Coast Guard in Portsmouth. His crews do the routine checks that the New York Coast Guard was doing when they heard that suspicious knocking. Carroll called the search for possible stowaways a success story.
It's a 7-day week, 365-day-year mission, and we're constantly out there. And this is one of the successes that we're able to detect personnel on board before they enter the country.
The Villa de Aquarius is owned by CMA CGM. That's a French company with offices here in Hampton Roads. A spokesperson for that company says they are cooperating fully with U.S. officials. Now, of course, we just updated you that the Coast Guard is expanding their search of the containers. We're paying close attention to this situation and any updates coming out of New Jersey or from Homeland Security. As soon as we know more, we'll update you on air and online. Live in the newsroom, I'm Liz Palka, 10 on your side.
Well, some of you may still have questions about why the Coast Guard thinks there could be people inside those containers. Again, going back to 3 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday, and that routine but random inspection of the cargo ship. A Coast Guard spokesperson says officers were on board the ship and knocked on a bulkhead, which is a wall inside the ship, and the inspector said they heard knocks coming back. The spokesperson said officers could not pinpoint which container the noises were coming from, but did note that after about 2 hours, the sound stopped.